Good morning, students. So, today we'll start our chapter 13 Green and Clean Earth. You know that our earth is a home to many plants, animals, and human beings. All these living organisms are residing or present on this earth. It is our home. Okay, and beside living things, so many non-living things are also found on the earth, and in that non-living things are like air, water, mountains, rocks, soils, clouds, all these are present on the earth. You can see in the picture all the living and the non-living things are there. So you know that to make our earth a clean and green earth, we should know the importance of trees. So our next topic is the importance of trees. You can see in the picture that how important the trees are for us. That is, they remove the carbon dioxide because they take in carbon dioxide during the process of photosynthesis and gives out oxygen. You know that oxygen is very important for the survival of human beings on the earth. Even these trees provide us fruits, vegetables, cereals, medicines, wood, paper, rubber, etc. Okay, and even you can see in the picture also that they prevent flooding. So how they prevent flooding? You know that the trees has roots in them, and that roots hold the soil, and they just trap or holds the soil together, and this prevent it from getting washed away by wind or water. Okay, means when there is heavy rain, then these trees and the plants, they do not make the water to fall on the earth at a greater speed. They reduce the speed of water, and then by this they can easily prevent flooding. Even as they gives out oxygen, and also water vapor is also released out, so that time they cools our houses, they cools our environment. Okay, and next is they reduce erosion. Erosion means the movement of soil from one place to another. Okay, now if the plants will be there, then the roots of the plants and the trees, they hold the soil, and they will not allow the soil of a particular place to move from one place to another, and they make the soil fertile. Okay, so all these are the uses and the importance of trees. So we should always plant a tree and save our earth. But nowadays you are seeing that the human beings are cutting the trees to create more land for increasing population, because as the population is increasing, they need more space to live on the earth and to make their houses. So for that they are cutting down the trees, and that is known as deforestation. Okay, because the trees are being cut to meet the demands of increasing population. As the population is increasing, so they are actually they are moving to cut down the trees so that they can make a free space for making the houses and other facilities. Okay, and you know that the cutting down of trees in a large number is known as deforestation, and as a result of it we are losing forest and wildlife means the animals which are living in the forest. Okay, now you know that how important the trees and forest are for us. So we should always take care that we should plant more and more trees, and we should not cut the trees and plants. So what we should do? We should save trees, and when we will save the trees, we will automatically save our earth. Okay, because trees are very important for the earth to live more and more years, and even for our future generations. When our future generations will come on this earth, then they need all these facilities. Okay, and for that they need the trees also. So we should always save the trees. Okay, so how we can save the trees, that we will learn. What measures we should take, what steps we should take. So first one is afforestation. Afforestation means growing more plants. Okay, we should not cut the trees. If we need to cut them for our use, then we should plant more trees than we cut. Suppose we are using we are cutting 4 trees for our use. Okay, to get a land. Okay, and then we should plant 8 trees, means double the trees which we are cutting. Okay, if we are cutting 4 trees, then we should plant 8 trees at a new place, so that the number of plants or the number of trees will not decrease. Okay, so growing trees in a large number is known as afforestation. Next is, we should not waste paper, because you know that a lot of trees are cut down to make paper. Okay, so we should use both sides of paper. We should not waste paper, because to make a paper we have to cut the trees. If we will use less paper, or we will not waste the paper, then we will means we will not be like there to cut the more and more trees. Okay, now the third one is that we should avoid using wood as fuel. Fuel means the thing which we use to cook the food. In the villages or at the ancient times, what people use, they were using wood as fuel to cook the food. Instead, we should use biogas or LPG for cooking. Okay, when we will avoid using wood, then if we will not use the wood, then what will be there? We will not cut the trees. Okay, so we should avoid using the wood and use biogas. Next is, everyone should plant trees and take care of them. If every one of us will plant the trees and will take care, then the amount of plants will increase and there will be too much plant on this earth, and our earth will remain green and clean every time. Okay, now our next topic is Van Mahotsav. You know that Van Mahotsav is actually a celebration for plants. Okay, on this day we plant lakhs of plants and trees all over the country. Okay, and it is celebrated every year in 1 week of July. Okay, in July, for 1 week in India, this festival to plant the trees all over the country is celebrated. Okay, and that festival is known as Van Mahotsav. Fine. Now our next topic is World Environment Day. World Environment Day is observed all over the world on the 5th of June every year. Van Mahotsav was celebrated in India for 1 week in July, whereas World Environment Day is celebrated on the 5th of June all over the world every year. And on this day, on the World Environment Day, people talks about the ways to save the environment, how they can save the environment, how they should plant the trees, what measures they take to save the environment. Okay, so that's all for today, students. Have a nice day.